Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video guys, we will be doing a cash stuffing for our budget planning for the month of September. This is the first paycheck for the month of September. And hi again, my name is Val. I am a mom of two. I work full-time in a corporate world, and I do share my cash stuffing videos, my budgeting planning here in my channel, my own personal journey. So I am not a guru, I'm not a pro. Just a disclaimer, I'm typically just sharing my own journey here, and I do hope that you all get inspired. I do hope that you get ideas, and I do hope we can all be friends in here. Is it possible? Yes, it is. As long as we have this community, we all wanted to have something to look up. And every time that I'm sharing this budget planner, guys, or my cash stuffing, I really get inspired, because this is where I can talk to anyone about my numbers, my money, how far I've gone, and what I wanted to do in my life. Diba? So today we will be doing the cash stuffing of our first paycheck for the September one. So I'll start with putting my income goal. So looking at putting an income goal, guys, makes you think, or makes you like ewan ko lang, kasi for me, I am motivated looking at with my income goal and how far am I. So I do have the full-time job. Income budget is 20k, but the actual that I receive is 22,500. Then I don't have any other sources of income that comes in, so I'll just put there the full-time job. So the next thing that I'll do, guys, is to copy the allocated budget in here. Alright, so I'm done putting my monthly expenses here. So I'll just start. So I'm just done creating my expenses budget in here, guys. So the next thing that I will do is that I will put in my income of 22,500 to my money manager app. So by the way, if you missed my money manager app budget tracker tutorial, guys, you can go ahead and check it in my previous video, or I will be linking it in the description box, or you can see it. I think I will be popping up it here at the top. Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below, where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to you, since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video. So this is my money manager app, and today medyo maaga kasi yung sahod ko. So what you need to do, guys, is to make sure that you input it on the correct date. Kasi for me, yung sahod ko dumating on August 26. So medyo maaga po talaga siya. And I don't want to put it on the August 26 because that will identify the money manager app that income is in for August. But technically kasi it is for the September income. So I'll just select the September one. I'll put 22,500 in here, and I'll select the category, which is full-time, and then I'll select the account, and then select the income. So if you can see here, I need to update the carryover expenses because it shouldn't be a carryover expenses there. I need to fix my August pa. So I think that's it, and I will move to the cash stuffing now. So we have 22,500, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll start with the cash stuffing na. So with the utang, guys, we all know that it's gonna be 1.5 as always, and here we are. I'm adding 1.5 in here. I'll add 1.5 5. And then for the grocery, that's 2K. And then family allowance, that's gonna be 3.8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, and I don't have, wait lang. So ganito lang talaga guys. So for your information, when you do this, if you are just new to the cash stuffing guys, not going to be as easy as possible. Like talagang in one click magagawa mo na siya kaagad-agad o mamamaster mo na siya. For me guys, it's going to be slow progress lang. Like wag nyong anuhin, wag nyong biglain yung sarili nyo na in one cash stuffing mape-perfect nyo na to, like kaya nyo na to. There's always trial and error. Okay, sometimes the first trial it won't work. The next time that you will do it, maybe you will get it in 80%. And then up until slowly by slowly makukuha nyo na siya. Guys, I've been doing this for like 2 years. And up until now, I'm still struggling, to tell you honestly. Not to the point na struggle na hindi talaga ako makaka-keep up, but struggling in terms of the lot of changes. A lot of changes, meaning if I wanted to do it in a cashless, if I wanted to do it in a like siguro I need to withdraw the money right away. So ganong mga bagay ba. To tell you, hindi talaga siya magiging madali at first. So, if it doesn't work at first, guys, I would always tell you, I will always say this, don't give up. Just keep try and try. Kasi the moment that you give up is the moment that you are really giving up to yourself. And talagang isang try ka lang tapos hindi nag-work, give up ka na. Parang, what's the point of starting if at the middle magi-give up ka, diba? So, to me, I think it's the worst thing to do. Yung magsisimula ka pa lang, tapos, at the end, magi-give up ka na. And I was always say this to myself na 3 years na akong magka-cash stuffing. I think magti 3 years na siya this end of 2024. And, I'm still not really used to it. Like, marami pa talagang mga changes, marami pa talaga akong dapat improve sa sarili ko in terms of the budget. Like, every time na nag-i-increase yung salary ko, nag-i-increase din yung monthly expenses ko, diba? And I always say that kapag nag-increase yung salary mo, always increase your saving, not your expenses. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko previously. But ngayon, iba na kasi yung pananaw ko sa buhay eh. Nag-i-increase yung expenses ko, not to the point because I'm increasing my lifestyle. It's more on like nag-i-invest ako sa education ng anak ko. If you would look into my previous budget planning, guys, yung nag-i-increase lang talaga sa lifestyle ko is yung education na part. Like ngayon, nagbabayad ako ng monthly tuition fee ng anak ko, and malaki siya. To think it's 8,000 a month yung budget allocated ko dyan. Noon, come to think of it, 10,000 bi-weekly lang ako. And now I can pay 8,000 just for a tuition fee of a monthly ng anak ko. And napaisip ako na, is it worth it? I think it's worth it kasi every time na I talk to my kid, how was it, the private school compared to the private? And he shares so much. He shared a lot. And for like 1 month na kaming nandun sa school niya, he shares so many differences, and I can see there's a little progress, guys, with his education because he's more on like proactive na he will do his whatever his teacher says, and then projects, assignments, yun. And by the way, guys, I have extra, how much here? 3K. So every time again may extra ako, just put it in the, not roll over, but I just put it here in the blank envelope para if ever I'm gonna need to pull it out if it's savings comes in. I can just put it in the savings at the end of the month, diba? So yeah, after I do this, guys, the next step that I will do is to update my money manager app. Okay, so let me do this one. The September, it says here the carryover. Let me see if I can make a little changes on the carryover here. Okay, looking at sa ating budget here, sige na nga, mamaya na to. Okay, basta ang alam natin, guys, when you do this, it can be overwhelming. That's one. Two, it's not going to be easy, difficult in terms of like tracking talaga. Up until now, I'm still not good in tracking, but you know, this is pinasukan natin to, and we want to be committed with what we started. That's what I wanted, guys. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. I will be doing some back-end work with my planner. Then we'll talk more about on the next videos, guys, on what we wanted to do, no? Siguro. Yeah, just checking what else do I have here. So again, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope na meron kayong, I don't know if meron kayong nakuha dito information, but I'm glad that I was able to do it now and able to share and upload a new budget, cash stuffing budget. So thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this to your friends, families that you think who is in need of this kind of videos, so that YouTube can also promote and expand our community to the people like you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.